At another math puzzle na naman ang ating sasagutin ngayon. So, what is the weight of the 3 animals? Pause the video and answer. Tinry mo ba? At kung nakuha mong sagot, very good. At kung interested ka namang malaman kung paano siya isolve, keep watching. So, para malaman natin yung weight ng tatlong animals, is focus our attention on the 3 given clues. Let's start muna dun sa first 2. So, yung unang clue is yung frog, tsaka yung sheep, pag pinagsama, 10 kilograms. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, yung horse, tsaka yung frog ulit, is 20 kilograms. So, napansin mo rin ba na yung dalawang clues is nagpe-pertain dun sa tatlong animals na agad. So, kapag pinag-plus natin yung 10 kilograms sa 20 kilograms, makukuha natin yung weight ng tatlong animals pero double si frog. But don't worry, doon natin gagamitin yung third clue. Kapag minus natin yung weight ng horse and sheep, is makukuha natin yung twice ng weight ng frog. Tapos divide na lang natin sa 2 and then yun na, makukuha na natin yung single frog. Tapos i-back add na lang natin yung 24 kg para makuha yung tatlong weight ng animals. So let's put that into writing. So let frog is equal to F, horse, yung H, tapos yung sheep naman is S. So balikan natin yung kanina. Ang sabi natin kanina, yung 10 kilograms saka yung 20 kilograms, kapag pinag-plus and minus yung 24 kilograms, is makukuha natin yung weight ng frog na nakadouble. So simplify natin. That is 10 plus 20 is 30 kilograms minus 24 kilograms. And of course, the difference is 6 kilogram. At yan yung weight ng twice ng frog. So all we have to do now is divide it by 2. Division property. So maka-cancel yon. At single weight na lang ang matitira, which is equivalent to 3 kilogram. Then from here, mas madali na lang. Diba nga, yung third clue natin is horse plus sheep na siya. And that is equivalent to 24 kilogram. So kung mapapansin mo niyan, yung dalawang equations na to is actually pertaining na dun sa tatlong animals. All we have to do now is to add the 2 equations. So it will give us the sum of frog plus horse plus sheep, which is equal to 27 kilograms.